Welcome back. In this class, we are going to be discussing the advanced filter as promised. Now, in this case, the reason why the advanced filter is actually good is because there's certain limitations in the basic filter that occurs when you have to filter so much with a lot of conditions. Like you want to filter something, but that same thing has different conditions. It is very good to have a better idea of using the advanced feature when you want to do your filters. When you have such data, you would just know that okay, at this point I have to remove, I want to keep my original data the way it is, but I want to remove one aspect and focus on it. That is what we will be doing in this class. So as usual, we are kicking off by starting here. Always ensure to put your cursor at any point on the data set when you want to use this advanced feature. So we come here to filter, but we are not using filter, we are using advanced. Did you see that this came up? Now the advantage of putting it in any place here is that it just automatically selects the whole data set of where the cursor is. You can see it here. It has selected everything, so we don't really have to use the control arrow down and all that. The goal is to make work easier for us. So that's why I always make sure that that is happening. You remove whatever is here. Now the criteria range, I want to start with this. We want to select information of this customer only. This customer only. So I'll click here. I've selected it. Can you see that? It has selected it. Now, I don't want to filter in the list in place because that's not the goal. The goal is to bring it out. So you click on copy to another location. Once you do that, you click the copy. When you are seeing that arrow there, let's assume this is the location we want to put it. You see, it has selected it automatically. Then we press OK. Guess what? This is all the information of this person, this customer with this particular customer ID. I hope you are coming along with me. Now, I want to go back to the data set and I want to go back to the advanced. It has selected everything as usual. Once you even see this movement around the data set, you know you've selected it. We come to criteria, remove whatever is there because that's the previous criteria. And then now, we want to select a product and order in this, that the person, we are actually dealing with product 5 and we want only the large order. You understand? You select that here. See, it has selected it. Then you come here, copy to another location, come here, remove whatever is there because that was there before, and let's assume we want to copy that here. Let's put it under here. Good. Then we click OK. You see, so you will notice everything is product 5 and it's not just everything, it is actually the large order, the large order there. I hope we understand how this thing works. So let's remove all of this. We don't really need it for now. Okay, I want to delete that to make it easier. So we are back here. We've sorted this condition. Now this condition is the total cost. I don't want all information that is below 350. I just want greater than $350. So I'll come here, anywhere here, again to the advanced, and then of course we remove, hold on, sorry, I made a mistake there. Okay, yeah, I didn't make a mistake. You see, it has selected that. Then we move to the criteria. um this is the criteria I want for the total cost. I just want anything greater than 350, and then I have to tell them that I want to copy it somewhere else, and of course I put it here, and then I click OK, and there you go. If you look at all this amount that is here, look at it. There is nothing that is less than 350 here. No way, nothing is less than 350 here. It is as simple as that. It's very easy. It can be more than, it can be great, less than 350, You can practice with less than 350. You can practice with less than or equal to any amount. Just make sure you practice, like I always say. Once you've learned this, go ahead and practice. Now we are going to be talking on the same thing, but this time dates. So we select this and then we come. No, sorry, I have to be here first, then advanced, so that it takes the whole data set, and then your criteria, remove whatever is there. Let's select this criteria is what we want, like this. Then we copy it there, copy to another location, and then let's assume this is the location we want, and good, it has selected the date. So these are the products that were sold on this date. It was actually only product 8, and we had just 2 customers that bought it. Very easy and straightforward. Now, another advanced way we want to do this is if we want to copy this thing into another data sheet, like all what we've been doing here, we want to do it on another data, on another sheet. So we do this, we come here, that sheet you want to then paste it on is the place you will go and click your advance. So once you click it here, you see it's telling us to select a list of range. You now go back to that page that you wanted to select. You come here. This is when we use our shift control arrow right and arrow down to select everything. Then, of course, the criteria range, you see it's taking us back to the initial page we want to paste it. You go back here and then let's see. I think we can choose, okay, let's choose this criteria as what we actually want to do. Good. Then copy to another location. Of course, we want to copy here. We can just click anywhere here and then we click OK. You see, all the information is here already, so you can work from another sheet, you can put it beside it. The idea is to actually bring it out. The idea is to bring it out of the data to work with it, not to even manipulate the real data in itself. In extreme and advanced cases, when the information is much, you probably want to use this kind of filter, especially if you are going to have to play around with the different conditions, many conditions. I hope this has been explanatory enough. I'll see you in the next class. Don't forget, practice all the time. That's what makes you perfect. See you in the next class. Bye.